In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get older transactions into Monarch Money. If you've ever found yourself needing to track past financial information, importing older transactions is a great way to keep your financial data organized in one place. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Monarch Money app or access it via the web. It's crucial to log in with your credentials, as this will give you access to your personal dashboard. Take a moment to ensure you're entering your details securely, as keeping your financial information safe is always a priority. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice a menu option that says Import or Upload CSV. Click on that. This is your portal to either connect directly with your bank or upload a CSV file containing your past transactions. If your bank is supported, selecting Import from Bank can be a seamless way to bring in data. Alternatively, uploading a CSV file requires that you have exported this data from your banking institution beforehand, so make sure you have that ready. Next, navigate to the Transactions tab. This is where you'll manage and oversee all of your financial entries. Clicking on this tab prepares you to customize which transactions you're bringing into Monarch Money. It sets the stage for our next step, which is selecting the appropriate date range for your transactions. Take a moment to think about the specific time frame you want to capture. Whether it's the last few months or an entire year, choosing the right dates ensures that you import the information you truly need. Following this, you'll need to review and map your data columns, which is a crucial step. Here, you'll make sure that the columns such as date, amount, category, and description from your imported data align correctly with Monarch Money's format. This ensures that all the entries appear as intended. Carefully check this mapping to prevent any misalignment or data entry errors, which can affect your financial insights later on. Once you've confirmed everything is in the right place, it's time to finalize the process. Click on Confirm and Save, then select Import or Done to complete your transaction import. Take a moment to breathe a sigh of relief. Your past transactions are now securely in Monarch Money. This setup not only keeps your past financial records at your fingertips, but also allows you to stay on top of your financial planning with ease. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your older transactions into Monarch Money, ensuring a comprehensive view of your financial history. Keep this guide handy for any future imports and continue taking charge of your financial journey with confidence.